Looking for an easy way to upgrade your home lighting? Today, we're reviewing the under-cabinet lighting wireless 4-pack, a motion sensor LED light set designed for kitchens, closets, and under-counter spaces. These battery-operated, rechargeable lights offer 3 color temperatures: warm, neutral, and cool white, so you can customize the lighting to match your space. With dimmable brightness settings, they provide just the right amount of light, whether you need a soft glow for ambiance or bright task lighting. The built-in motion sensor automatically turns the lights on when it detects movement, making them perfect for dark spaces like cabinets, stairways, and closets. The magnetic back design allows for easy installation without drilling, and since they are wireless and rechargeable, you won't have to worry about tangled cords or constant battery replacements. However, while these lights offer great convenience, some users may find battery life varies depending on brightness settings, and motion detection can be sensitive in high-traffic areas. Overall, for anyone looking for a versatile, easy-to-install lighting solution, these under-cabinet lights provide great functionality at an affordable price. Would you add these to your home setup? Check out my Amazon affiliate link below. No extra cost to you, and it helps support my channel for more reviews. Amazon affiliate link. Get your wireless under-cabinet lights here. Like and subscribe for more home gadget reviews. And just remember, be nice and be kind to one another.